Hi, and thanks for buying Ultion Smart. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up. First, remove the lock from your door. Remove the fixing screws that line up with the bottom of the lock. Put your key in the lock, turn it to about 4 o'clock and wiggle the lock out. Then pop your super secure Ultion Smart Lock through the hole and tighten. Now place the supplied cup over the cylinder and screw the plate to the door through these 2 holes. Then you twist the body into the cup until you hear it click into place. Ultion Smart is now fitted and ready to pair with your phone.